Somebody recently asked me about pruning columbine leaves, and I have one here. I'm not home, so I can't actually do it, but I'll just show you how to. You can see this one is blooming and it has some nice leaves, but these leaves are turning red. Some seed pods, these can all be cut off. You could cut right here. These are seed pods, so you could cut right there, leave that flower for now if you want. And then so below these red leaves that are clearly dying are all these green leaves. So if you wanted to, you could cut all of these old stems off right now, all the way to the ground, leaving the new leaves to do their thing, and you might get some more blooms. And once I get home, I'll show you how I do this to my own flowers, my own columbine, and not in public. I also want to add more thing is that the columbine are very short-lived perennials, so you want to make sure that you leave some of them to go to seed completely so that they self-seed. Otherwise it'll eventually die and it won't come back. So if you want it to come back, make sure you leave some of those seeds at the end of the growing season.